Yes, good evening all. See what we have discussed in last class. Show that. All right. Yes. So how can you show this is equal to this? How can you show this is equal to this? Guys, look at this here. First, tell me what exactly your approach is. What is the formula of this? What is the approach? Sin square theta and n cap whole square. N cap is nothing but what is a unit, so it becomes one only. Even you write, even you don't write, that doesn't make a sense here. Formula. Yesterday I told you guys, this is a square as it is, this is a b square as it is. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Very simple. Okay, minus multiplying this into this and this into this. Cos square theta. Alright, now what can I do here? What can I do? What can I do? Look at this here. This can be written as what? As it is. Now this fully becomes what? A dot B तो बनता है, isn't it, guys? What is the A dot B formula? Vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B square magnitude of B square. Sorry, magnitude of A dot B dot cos theta. Right? That is the formula. I have square simply. So the hence proof. Can I say no? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Look at this now. So yes, understood or not, guys? Hello.
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Yes. Next we'll write a properties. Properties. Properties of cross product. Properties of cross product. So first of all, like let me write the properties, all the properties, then we will go further. Here I cap I is equal to j cap and j cross j. Okay. Now second property. So what is the bracket right here? Both are having the same direction. Same magnitude. Opposite. But opposite direction. Okay. Now the third property which I can write is So VM B plus 2 plus C. And then you can say A cross B is equal to 0. A vector A will be equal to 0. Now let's run by one. Let's look at this here. So first, tell me, let us talk about the second property here. A cross B is equal to B minus B cross A. I'm saying, what is the reason behind that? Look at this. First, suppose I have A vector and B vector like this. So this is my A vector, and let's say that this is my B vector. All right. So, and look at here. If you observe this properly, if I just move as like as the A vector is moving towards B vector, you can see as like as the A vector is moving towards B vector, what happens? What happens? This will be perpendicular. This will happen like this, and this will be perpendicular to this, and this will be perpendicular to this. Just imagine. Let's थोड़ा imagine करने में थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा, but that is what the fact behind that. Okay, what happens here? Look at this here. Someone is in waiting room. Who's that? Abhinaya, why are you late, Abhinaya? Abhinaya, why are you late? Abhinaya, I'm asking you only, why are you late? Hello? Abhinaya, are you here? Guys, look at this here. I as like as A moves towards B, what happens? This will be perpendicular to this, and this will be perpendicular to this. Okay, and what it becomes? What it becomes? So which is going to be EU B sine theta n cap. What is n cap denotes here? N cap denotes here sign, I mean direction there. Okay. If you come like if you are just guys look at this here. If B if A is moving towards B like this, okay, so that is what happens. If B is moving towards A, what happens? What happens? Look at this. If B is moving towards A. Okay. If B is moving towards A, what happens? So this is what okay. This is what happens. When B is moved towards A, that is what happens. Because guys, we just have spoken about थोड़ा ये this is not required for you थोड़ा visualize करने के लिए just for visualization. What happens here, as like as if you rotate the screw inside, because this is screw, if you're tightening up the screw inside the wall, what happens? It will get tight. If you loosen up, if you lose it up, I mean like if you rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, it will come out from the wall. Okay, so that is what that is how you can visualize it. Okay. All right, that is the direction we are talking about here. Okay, so which means what? If you are just moving from, if you are moving in the clockwise direction, like if you are moving in the clockwise direction, get tighten up. If you are moving in the anti-clockwise direction, get loosen up. All right, it loses. So it will get loose and it comes out of from the wall. Okay, so this is what happens basically. And now look at this here. Um, Look at this. Yeah. So now, if I talk about if I talk about something different, look at this here. A cross B minus B cross A. Both are having same magnitude but opposite direction. Having magnitude same but opposite direction. That is what we wrote minus A. Whenever you get like opposite direction, you must write minus there. Okay, hope it's clear, right? And guys, look at this here. The first property. Second property done. What's the first property? First property is on this is what we know here. All these things are zero. In the first lecture we have discussed. Yes. Now after that, if I talk about third product, look at this here. M. If I'm multiplying, a vector with some scalar called M. So M comes out, and this is what happens. This is a property here. Okay, this is what the property. Okay. So now if I talk about the fourth property, what happens here? This to be two. This into this plus this into this. Very simple. And if okay. Guys, look at this here. If you want a proof for this, how can I prove this? How can I prove this? Basically, like if I take Cartesian product, like Cartesian form, I, J, K, and I'm just taking this MEA, when MEA1, MEA2, MEA3. If I take M common outside, look at this here. Combination of A1, A2, A3 is what? Look at this here. If I take M common outside, all right, taking M common from the row. If you know the matrices and determinants, you will understand it very in much better way. So if I take M common here, so that is how M I just wrote M into A cross B. Here of course B1, B2, B3. So if I take M common outside and write it, so I will get M of M of A cross B like that. All right, very simple. So basically, you just remember the formulas. That is what very important. We are not going to apply. We are not going to decide. There is no point of learning all that. Basically, just applying the question, applying the formula in the question. That's it. Clear? Yes. Now look at this here. Now, if this is a kind of simple multiplication, this is this is this. Okay. Now, basically, look at this. What is guys here? Look at this here. I'm saying A cross B is equal to 0. A cross B is equal to 0. Nothing but what? A cross B is nothing but what? Magnitude of A sine theta n cap. This is what the concept behind that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now A cross B is equal to 0, which means what? Either A or B, both should be 0. तभी तो 0 होगा. Look at this. Guys, either A0 or B0 or both non-zero. All right. Yes. Now look at this. N is what here? N is what here? N cap is what? This is a unit vector. This gives only direction. That is a unit vector which gives only direction. All right. Yes. Now. All right. Now look at this. When this can become 0, when theta is equal to 0 degrees, it becomes what? 0. AP possibility. So, all right. Theta is equal to 0 means what? It is coinciding. What it denotes here? When theta is equal to 0, beta. When theta is equal to 0, it becomes 0. Which means what? The 0 degrees पे क्या होता है? Both will be parallel. So this will be, that is how we wrote A parallel to B basically. Alright. So when it happens, when A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or both non-zero. और कैसे कभी हो सकता है? दोनों parallel. कब parallel हो सकते हैं? अगर theta 0 होगा. Theta 0 होगा तो क्या होगा? बेटा देखो theta 0 है बेटा, ये है मेरा. For suppose if I have this and this here, थोड़ा like I'll be having some angle here. If theta 0 क्या होगा? ये दोनों parallel होगा तो सो जाएगा ना ये line भी. People are able to understand. Hello, here if I have something like this, I'll be having some theta. Now मेरे पास, if at all I don't have, if my angle is 0, what happens now? This lines fell down on this line, ऐसे सो जाएगा, ठीक है? Isn't it? Then if two lines are like this, they're parallel to each other, isn't it? So that is what the concept behind that here. ठीक है? Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
They are overlapping or the overlapping? Look at here. हाँ, if देखो मेरे पास क्या है, if I have a plane something like this, if I have a plane something like this, now here let's say that you have a like this, it is moving like this. Now ये क्या होगा? If you just imagine ये तो perpendicular, this will be perpendicular to this. थोड़ा imagine करेंगे तो that will be perpendicular to that. So here A is a perpendicular to B. So A is a perpendicular to B is nothing but what? This is what happens here. ठीक है? All right. Properties of this is also a property. This is also a property. Please take this. This is also a property. Okay. When A parallel B, when A is parallel B, क्या होगा? A parallel B होगा तो क्या होगा? A cross B is equal to 0. When एक minute. Guys, because here now let me take the case. Let me take the case. One more case. This is my plane. इसमें क्या है? Let's say that this is what happens. When this case happens, when A is parallel to B. When it happens, when A cross B is equal to 0. When theta becomes 0, it overlaps, isn't it? A vector and B vector दोनों क्या होता है? It will overlaps. Overlap is nothing but if they are overlapping, can I say they are parallel? Yes. All right. All right. And guys, इसको like if you want to understand in a bit much better way, देखो ये कब possible होगा? When it is possible, if it A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, there is one possibility कि or both are non-zero. ये कब possibility होगा? If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0 or both non-zero. All right. When theta is equal to 0, they'll overlap each other. Then what happens? They'll be parallel to each other, both vectors. Hope it is clear, guys. Now as soon as thoda one of the very important property, next we'll move forward. One of the very important, ये बहुत important है, सबसे ज्यादा काम आने वाली चीज. ठीक है? देखो पहले क्या करेंगे तो आई क्या जे क्या now look at it. Guys, the first property, look at this. In the first property, what happens? A cross A. A cross A is nothing but what? What is the formula? Magnitude of A sin theta. N cap. N cap तो unit vector छोड़ो इसको. Alright? हाँ. देखो sin theta, right? Sin theta. ये तो देखो when sin theta becomes 0. When sin theta becomes 0. 0 कब हो सकता है? All sin multiples gives me what? All sin multiples, like sin 1 pi, sin 2 pi, sin तेरा pi, मेरा pi, सबका pi क्या होता है? 0 होता है. sin 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi till n pi. All gives me 0 only. ठीक है? That is what we have to understand here. A class A. हाँ. Guys, in dot product it used to be reverse. Guys, in dot product what we used to write? In dot product A dot बेटा ये क्या हो सकता है? Magnitude of A square. This A dot A gives what? Magnitude of A whole square in dot product. मगर इधर 0 होता है. ध्यान से सुनिए, इधर 0 होता है. क्यों? Sin 1 by 2, every pi gives you 0. Alright. Here I dot I, J dot J, K dot K. But in dot product, what was there? I dot I, everything used to be 1, right? J dot j 1, k dot k used to be 1. मगर इधर क्या होता है, क्या होता है इधर 0 में, लेकिन इधर बराबर हो सकता है everyone. Look at this. Alright. Yes. Now here, look at this here. Either is equal to 0. My bad, I didn't write is equal to 0. थोड़ा इधर ही. Guys, everyone write is equal to 0 here. Everyone write is equal to 0. Why is equal to 0? Why? Because they are overlap each other. ये दो वेक्टर क्या होता है? They overlap each other when theta becomes 0. Because ये 0 है ना, तो theta क्या हो सकता है? You understand my point? What is the value of theta here? 0. Correct. Sin 0 0 only, right? Sin 0 0 and sin 180 0. Sin 360 0. Sin 3 pi 4 pi every pi 0. Right? It's sin 0 it becomes 0. Which means what? Which means what? 0 पे क्या होता है? What is if angle is 0? What two vectors overlap each other? If they overlap each other, क्या हो सकता है? 0 only. Why? What is the reason behind 0 here? They overlap each other. ठीक है? Very simple. In dot product, it used to be 1. A dot A, I dot I is equal to I dot I is equal to 1. But I cross I is equal to 0. Guys, this is the property which we have learned. A cross B is equal to negative of B cross A. Now look at this here. Now, so here, based upon this, based upon this red color thing, what can you write here? I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. J cap cross K cap is equal to I cap and K cap cross I cap is equal to J cap. That these are our properties. Please write it carefully. Okay. Okay, these are our properties. This is my sixth property. This is my sixth property. As soon as as you're moving in a clockwise direction like this, everything becomes positive because I cross J gives you positive. J cross K gives you positive. K cross J gives you positive. Alright? Look at this here. Alright, as soon as you're moving in a positive direction, it gives you positive answer. As soon as you're moving in a clockwise direction like this, I cross J, I cross J gives you what? K. Which K? Positive K. As soon as as you are moving in a clockwise direction, it gives you positive values. Hope it is clear. Okay. Yes. Guys, as soon as as you're moving in a clockwise direction, it becomes positive. But if you're moving in a negative direction, what happens? Now, if I just move, if I move J cap cross I cap, what happens here? K cap. But which one? Minus K cap. So if you are moving in a positive direction, it used to be positive. But when you are moving in a negative direction, it gives you negative. That's it. Very simple. So now tell me here, I cap cross K cap क्या हो सकता है? Minus J cap. Now K cap cross J cap gives me what? Minus I cap. Very simple. Okay. So remember that red color, circle. The only change is what? The only change is what? As you move in a clockwise direction, the sign will be positive. If you're moving in a negative direction, I mean, if you're moving in a anti-clockwise direction, it gives you negative. Look at this. Moving in a clockwise direction, positive. Moving in anti-clockwise direction, negative. Listen to me. Dekho, if you're moving in this way, look at this. Here to here. Oh, no. It's what? Negative, negative, negative here. Hope it is clear, guys. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts here? People, do you have any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Very good. So, next. Just a minute. Guys, here all you need to remember क्या होना चाहिए आपको? This one, this chotu, this low, this one is the right. You have to remember that. Okay. Hope it is clear. Yes. Now we'll just talk about the questions. All right. Questions. If a vector gives us 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap, and the b vector is equal to what? I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap, then find a cross b is equal to what? Find a cross b is equal to what? कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसको? Make it fast. How can I find it out? By using, guys, look at this here. I have a Cartesian product form. Look at this. What is first? What I told you, beta. I just told you to write I j k. Write the coefficients here. 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 1 4 minus 2 here. Okay. Now look at this. For solving this, what I told. Adesha, hope you are aware of this, and Sneaker, hope you also like aware of determinants, solving determinants. Adesha, I taught
Yes,
you
sir.
last class. So here, I cap into what? Minus 3 into minus 2, 6. I have to close these two now. And the minus 4 into 1, how much? 4 into minus 1, how much? Minus 4. Minus into minus 4.
Minus 4.
So J should be always minus, I told you. J should be always minus. So now I'm talking about J, right? This row, this column will be getting cancelled. So मुझे क्या बचा अभी देखो? 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus. Okay, so plus k cap. So here plus k cap is nothing but what now? What is the thing you have to close? K cap wala row and column. What it means now? So 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 into minus 3
8 plus 3.
minus, so plus 3, right? Plus 3. So what is the vector here? 10i cap minus into minus plus 3j cap plus 11k cap. Hope it is clear with everyone of you. All right, beta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hope it is clear. ये तो बच्चा वाला सवाल था, लेकिन very simple question. We'll move for the next question. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A minus 6j minus 3k All right, find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of this and this. Make it first. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A and that. Guys, look at this here. Try to understand the question here. There is a two vectors, A vector, and B vector. There's a two vectors in a plane. Let's say that this is my A vector. Let's say this is my B vector. Okay. Guys, if I just is space A, like from this point, if I just give a one more vector, like I can visualize this, guys. Visualize this, guys. This is standing here. A green color vector, hai na? It is like vertical on that, not horizontal, guys. This is not horizontal. From this point, it is vertical. It is standing on this point. Are you able to imagine what I'm trying to say here? This
Yes, sir.
line is there, right? This green color line is standing on this point. Not like, guys, this is not like this. Hello, people. It is standing on this. So which is nothing but what? This is perpendicular to this is perpendicular to this. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
That is what my n cap, which gives me direction. Now look at this. N cap is nothing but what? What is n cap? A cross A cross B upon is it clear? So this is what happens. So how हमको कैसे मिलेगा फॉर्मूला? देखो बेटा मैं क्या बोल रहा था. What is the formula in here? A cross B gives me what? A cross B gives me what? A cross B gives me what? What is the formula I told? अरे A cross B formula क्या होता था? Vector A cross vector B sin theta and n cap. All right, sin theta n cap. ये थीटा क्या है? 90 है ना, परपेंडिकुलर. थीटा 90 हो जाएगा तो sin 91. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए इधर? n cap. यूनिट वेक्टर चाहिए मुझे. यूनिट वेक्टर इज नथिंग बट n cap हियर. तो n cap हाउ कैन आई फाइंड इट ओवर हियर? So A cross B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Okay. So what is sin theta 1? N cap. N cap is nothing but what now? This divided by this. That is what I wrote here. Isn't it, people? Yes or no, people? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So let me erase all this, A cap. All right. So now substitute here. You will get the answer. गाइस बेसिकली ये मुझे कैसे मिल रहा है? देखो ये यूनिट वेक्टर इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? अ वेक्टर. देखो उसका एक क्रॉस बाय इसका मैग्नीट्यूड. बस यूनिट वेक्टर विल बी ऑलवेज व्हाट? उसका क्रॉस बाय उसका मैग्नीट्यूड. ठीक है, क्रॉस बाय उसका मैग्नीट्यूड. नाउ सो ए क्रॉस बी कैसा मिलता है मुझे? ए क्रॉस बी, हाउ डू आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट हियर? I j k 2 minus 6 minus 3 4 3 minus 1. Okay. So I can witness 6 plus 9 minus j can witness what? Minus 2 plus 12. Isn't it, people? So plus k into what? 6 plus 24. Shrikar, are you able to understand, Shrikar? Plus minus 10j plus 30k cap. This is what my A cross B. Now n cap is equal to what? A cross B gives me what? 59 minus 10j plus 30k upon magnitude of this. Magnitude of this is what? Magnitude of A cross B, 225 minus. What is the magnitude? What is the answer? Oh, Oh, here minus plus 6 correct only. Any calculation mistake checked out? Minus 2 plus 12. Yeah, correct only, right? 15, 10 minus 10 से हाँ correct only. So square root of कितना इधर? Square root of how much? 225 plus 100 plus 900. Okay. So 1000, 1 to 25. Look at this here. Okay. So this is what happens here. So it's gonna, if I just divide this, what happens? 15 I cap minus 10j cap plus 30k cap upon square root of 1225. 1225 is going to be my answer. Hope it is clear. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Guys, here make sure that here plus or minus चाहिए, ठीक है? Plus or minus. The formula plus or minus. Here plus or minus answer, ठीक है? Plus or minus. Now, so yeah. Any doubts? Here square root of 1225 how much? Square root of 1225 how much? 3900. Okay, 3900 देगा तो मुझे square root of 1225 square root of 1225 3900, so 31. How much we get, guys? 35? Yes, 35. Square root of 1225 is 35, of course. Yes. Okay. So now if you solve this, if you simplify this, what do you get here? Look at this. Look at this carefully. So plus or minus 15I minus 10j cap plus 30k cap upon square root of 1225 is 35. Hope it is clear. Okay, so this is what you get. So now plus or minus, so 15 by 5 table, all the things you can cancel a 5 table. So 5 3 cap minus 2j cap plus 6k cap upon 7. Right, you can take 5 common in the numerator. So this is what my answer. Hope it is clear. Make it fast. Copy this. Next, we'll talk about geometrical significance of vector product. इसका geometrical significance देखेंगे अभी, ठीक है? So by this, like I said, if I take a parallelogram, look at this. These are if you, let's say this is a parallelogram A, B, C, and all right. So now this is my A vector. Let's say that this is my A vector. This is my A vector, and this is my B vector. Let's say that this is my B vector. Okay. This is my B vector. Okay. Now guys, you can see here, if I just draw the perpendicular, this is my perpendicular, right? This is my what? E here. Okay. Now look at this. Here, these are the this is my what? Diagonal of a parallelogram makes you what? Two congruent triangles. Isn't it, people? Two congruent triangles. Here, now if I talk about from the triangle, which triangle? From the triangle in the triangle A, not A, you say D, A, B triangle. इसमें क्या होगा? What is the triangle area of this triangle? Half into base into height, right? Half into what is the base here? B vector. What is A? Height is what? What is height here? A sine theta. A sine theta. What is the height of this? A sine theta. How many of you remember this, guys? I told you guys. Whenever we take this horizontal one, A cos theta we take. Whenever you take vertical one, A sine theta we take. All right. So I told you in the last couple of classes ago. All right, guys. I'm talking about this height, right? We're talking about this. I'm talking about this height, people. I'm talking about this height. What happens? That gives you what? Magnitude of here B, magnitude of A sine theta. That gives you magnitude of. All right. Clear? All right. All right, guys. It is going to be a magnitude. All right. But it is going to be a scalar quantity. That's the reason. Okay. एक मिनट Guys, it is going to be a scalar quantity, right? It is going to be a scalar quantity. Guys, it is going to be a scalar quantity. I'm asking you for area. I'm asking you for area here. This is what the area gives me. This is what the area I get here. Guys, this is going to be a scalar quantity. I'm talking about, area here. All right. This is what we'll get. Now, guys, area of this, area of this triangle I got here, shaded triangle. Now, if I ask you to find out area of the parallelogram, what it happens? Area of the parallelogram क्या होगा इधर? बताओ. अरे twice of this ना. ये ट्राइंगल तो हाफ ऑफ दिस पैरेललोग्राम. एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम क्या होगा? व्हाट हैपेंस? एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम वुड बी व्हाट? ट्वाइस ऑफ दिस. Isn't it, people? Hello, isn't it? Area
Yes,
of
sir.
parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to what? Twice of whatever the triangle area you got, half. This will get cancelled now. What do you remain with now? This is what the answer is going to be. All right. Here, look at this one. Here, A cross B is called vector area of parallelogram. Okay, vector area of parallelogram. Hope it is clear. Okay, guys, this gives me what? This gives me magnitude B sine theta or magnitude A sine theta. Okay, this gives me what? Magnitude this height है ना? This gives me magnitude A sine theta. Okay, hope it is clear to everyone of you. Even you take a B class here, you get the same thing. Okay. Guys, you have to take only magnitude. Even you take a B class A, you have to take only magnitude. People look at this here, A class B and B class A. At last, what I'm taking here, magnitude तो ले रहा हूँ मैंने last. At last I'm taking magnitude only. So A class B होगा तो B class B class होगा तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है? At last I'm taking magnitude only. Okay? Yes. Okay, sir. Now we'll solve a question. We'll solve a question. Let A of A, B of B, C of C, be position vectors of vertices of triangle ABC. Then prove that area of triangle ABC is given by half A cross C plus C cross B plus B cross A. This is what given here. ठीक है? Now how can you just solve this step? Guys, he has given vertices of triangle ABC. Look at it. First, draw the triangle. The triangle A, ठीक है? हाँ. Yes, given. These are the vertices of triangle. This is the position vectors of ABC. Here A class 3, B C class B, B class C. Guys, try to understand it carefully. All right. Yes. As in, I have taken an area of the parallelogram. In an area of the parallelogram, I have taken adjacent sides. Similar thing you have to take care of. देखो, in area of the parallelogram, look at this is talking about A class C, C class B, B class A. A class C, C class B, and B class A. All right. So here is always taking adjacent sides. Same thing I have taken in area of the parallelogram as well. You can move in the way by taking that. You can move in that way by taking adjacent sides. Look at this. Area of Area of this triangle is equal to what? Half of BA cross BC cross. Okay. Let's look at this here. BA cross BA of BA. What is BA here? BA is not equal to what? A minus B. A minus B. This is very important. BC is not equal to C minus B. C minus B. Okay. Yes. This is look at this here now. This is what I get, guys. ओके देखो थोड़ा इसको ओपन कीजिए. लेट्स ट्राई टू ओपन दिस अप. हाफ मल्टीप्लाई दिस ए क्रॉस सी minus a cross b and minus b cross c and plus b cross b. B cross b gives you what? Of course 0. तो इसको भूल जाओ थोड़ा. ठीक है. Yes. B cross b gives you 0. Just forget about that. Guys, look at this here. What exactly you have to do now? Here, look at this here. These are the position vectors of vertices of triangle ABC. Prove that area of the triangle is given by this one. We have to prove that this is the area of the triangle. All right. Now A cross C as it is, I am writing beta. Now minus A cross B given. Minus A cross B is nothing but B cross A. Isn't it, people? Minus A cross B can be written as what? B cross A. Do you agree with my point? And look at this here. Minus B cross C can be written as what, beta? Hello, C cross B. So that is what I got, hence proved. Are you people able to understand or not? Hence proved. Hence proved. How? We know that since A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Now if I have B cross A, which can be written as what? Minus A cross B. All right, people, can I write like this or not? If I have C cross B, this can be written as minus B cross C. Isn't it, people? Do you agree with my point? Hello? Hello? Children, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So hope you understood this.
Hope you understood this. Any doubts? Any doubts, people? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So Srikar understood Disha, Pravalika, Anjali, Adyesha, Ritvik. Any doubts, beta?
Understood, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
No,
Okay. Sure. Okay, children. So this is what the today's session is all about. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please do solve the functions worksheet. Those who are not aware of the functions worksheet, please open Google Classroom and just find out the functions worksheet. Try solving it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Parallelly solve your book problems as well. Thank you.